What is the meaning of your life? Is the point just to live longer, or should I seek a higher purpose? Namaste everyone. Today I am reviewing the best-selling book Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. I will share you the key lessons and practical examples and some powerful questions that can help you to find your own Ikigai. इस बुक में ओकिनावा के लोगों के बारे में बताया गया है. ओकिनावा इज अ आइलैंड इन जापान वेयर 25% ऑफ पीपल इज ओवर द एज ऑफ 100 फॉर एवरी 1 lakh inhabitants, and it is far more than the global average. What is the reason behind their longevity? And what is the reason behind their happy life? This we will get to know in this book. Ikigai is a Japanese word, means a reason for being, a reason to wake up in the morning. Okinawa people of Japan live with a purpose. According to this book, your Ikigai lies at intersection of what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Ikigai came up with the happiness of always being busy. Whatever you do, don't retire. They keep doing what they love as long as their health allows. So stay active and never retire. You tell me, if money wasn't a concern, what activity would you continue doing because you genuinely enjoy it? A lot of sitting will age you. Walk to work or just go on a walk for at least 20 minutes each day. Okinawa people of Japan live by the principle of treat everyone like a brother, even if you have never met them before. Teamwork, nurturing friendship, and celebrating each new day. The book highlights how social and strong connections contributes to happiness and longevity. So guys, you tell me, who is the one person you should reconnect with this week? Many of us spend too much time worrying about the future or regretting the past. The book encourages mindfulness and appreciating the present. Tell me, when was the last time you fully enjoyed a moment without any distractions? We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, it's a habit. आपने कभी फील किया है आपको किसी काम को करने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है और आप उसमें इतने खो जाते हो कि आपको टाइम का भी पता नहीं चलता? What makes you enjoy doing something so much that we forget about whatever worries we might have while we do it? When are we happiest? These questions can help us discover our Ikigai. दोस्तों, what activity makes you forget to check your phone and lose track of time? The main thing Okinawa people follow is eating until their stomach is 80% full. So now you are going to ask me, how will I get to know that I am 80% full? So stop eating when we are starting feeling full. Eat diet rich in vegetables, tofu, etc. light food in a small plates. Getting enough rest, regular moderate exercises. The purpose of this book is to bring the secrets of Japan's centenarians to you and give you the tools to find your own Ikigai. Because those who discover their Ikigai have everything they need for a long and joyful journey throughout the life. Our Ikigai is hidden deep inside each of us, and finding it requires a patient search. According to those born on Okinawa, the island with the most centenarians in the world, our Ikigai is the reason we get up in the morning. So friends, tell me, what is your Ikigai? The reason behind you get up in the morning. क्या करना आपको इतना पसंद है कि आपको टाइम का भी पता नहीं चलता? My takeaway from this book is find your purpose of living. It is often found in small actions repeated daily. Help others, do teamwork, nurture friendship, stop eating when it's 80% full, do exercise daily. Do what you love to do. Enjoy your life. Guys, जो भी इस बुक में लिखा है ना, I have felt this in real life when I went to Japan 1 week before. वहाँ के लोगों का सिविक सेंस काफी अच्छा है. बिना पूछे आपकी हेल्प करते हैं, अपने एनवायरनमेंट को क्लीन रखते हैं, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. वॉकिंग एंड साइकिलिंग दे प्रेफर मोस्ट, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द एजेड पीपल आई सॉ देम वर्किंग इन अ शॉप, रेस्टोरेंट एंड गार्डन. So overall, I highly recommend Ikigai if you are looking for more clarity, motivation and purpose in life. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more book reviews, self-growth content and travel stories. And before you go, tell me in the comment, what is the one thing that gives your life meaning every day? and find the reason today only. What is the purpose of your life? एक ही लाइफ है गाइस, ऐसे वेस्ट मत जाने दो. अपनी लाइफ को फुल एंजॉय करो. फाइंड योर पर्पस ऑफ लिविंग एंड एंजॉय एवरी डे. सेलिब्रेट एवरी डे. यू कैन डू इट. वी कैन डू इट. वी ऑल कैन डू इट. Please rate this review from 1 to 10. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.